making the masa dough for tamale. And I have 150 gram lard in the mixer, and we have 500 grams the masa flour, and we have 10 grams salt and 5 grams baking powder, 500 grams the bone broth, and we have optional the green sauce if we want it. And finally, when the dough done, and we're going to do the water flow testing. So now I'm going to add the flour and the bone broth into the mixer. A little bit at a time. The flour, a little, and the broth, a little. We're going to make this flour very fluffy and airy in order to pass the water flow test. And that will make the tortilla very fluffy and moist and tasty and tender. And I'm going to add more. The flour, and the bone broth. Now let's check the dough. I add all the flours and the bone broth in and mix 10 minutes. Let's check the water flow, see if it will pass. There you go, we pass. So the dough is ready to make tamale.